Hello, everyone. Today we'll explore the powerful verb abolish, a word that's particularly useful for IELTS essays about social change and history. First, let's start with the pronunciation. Listen carefully. Abolish. Notice the stress on the second syllable. Bol. Let's practice together. Abolish. One more time. Bolish. Now let's understand what this powerful word means. Abolish means to formally put an end to a system, practice, or institution, especially a long-established one. This word is particularly valuable in academic writing when discussing historical changes, social reforms, or policy modifications. Let me share some useful alternatives that you can use in your IELTS responses. We call these synonyms. Here they are. Eliminate, when emphasizing complete removal. Terminate, focusing on bringing something to an end. Eradicate, stressing complete destruction. Repeal, specifically for laws and regulations. Discontinue for more neutral contexts. Now, let's explore how this word works in English grammar. Abolish is a transitive verb, which means it always needs an object, something to be abolished. Let me introduce you to its word family. Abolish, verb, to end something officially. Abolished, past tense participle, ended officially. Abolishing, present participle, in the process of ending. Abolition, noun, the act of ending something officially. Here's something important about grammar patterns. Listen carefully to these structures. We use abolish directly with a noun. Abolish slavery. In passive form, was abolished by the government. With other verbs, voted to abolish the law. Now I'm excited to share some powerful combinations with abolish that will really boost your IELTS score. These are what we call collocations. Let's look at the most useful ones. Abolish slavery. Abolish discrimination. Abolish poverty. Abolish the death penalty. Abolish nuclear weapons. Let's see how these work in real IELTS situations. I'll share some examples that you might find in the test. 1. Many countries have abolished capital punishment in recent decades, reflecting changing attitudes toward human rights. Perfect for essays about human rights or social progress. 2. Some economists argue that we cannot completely abolish poverty without addressing systemic inequalities, ideal for discussions about social issues or economic policy. 3. The government plans to abolish certain tax breaks to simplify the taxation system. Great for essays about government policy or economic reform. Time for some practice. Let's work on these sentence completion exercises together. 1. Many activists believe that child labor should be blank worldwide. 2. The new legislation aims to blank discriminatory practices in the workplace. 3. Several countries have blank mandatory military service in peacetime. And here's your homework to reinforce what we've learned today. 1. Research 3 historical examples of practices that were abolished. 2. Write a paragraph about something you think should be abolished, using at least 3 different forms of the word 3. Create 5 sentences using different collocations with abolish. Here's a final pro tip. When using abolish in your IELTS responses, always provide specific examples and historical context. For instance, instead of just saying slavery was abolished, you could say the Slavery Abolition Act of 1833 abolished slavery throughout the British Empire, marking a significant milestone in human rights history. That's all for today. Remember to use this word appropriately in formal contexts, and you'll see improvement in both your writing and speaking tasks. Good luck with your practice, and I'll see you in our next lesson.